Things are really happening in the garden. Here are some tips for success. Lawn weeds like bindii and clover have grown quickly over the cooler months, taking advantage of slow lawn growth. It's important to get weeds under control before they set seed. This is particularly important for bindii, as the seeds are the prickles. Use a selective lawn weed killer like Yates Weed'n'Feed to control the most common broadleaf weeds like bindii and clover, and give your lawn a boost of greening nutrients at the same time. Citrus trees are hungry year-round, but particularly after a busy harvest season. It's really important to feed your citrus trees regularly with a fertiliser that's been specially designed to feed citrus. And while you're caring for your citrus trees, it's time to prevent dreaded citrus leaf miner, which causes leaves to develop silvery tunnels and become curled and twisted. Spray new foliage with an oil-based spray to deter the adult citrus leaf miner moth from laying her eggs. No eggs means no damage. For more advice, chat to our experts. Happy gardening!